Class 12 Data Structures, List, Stacks, Queues. Definition of data structure. Data structure is a named location that can be used to store and organize data. Tree structure of data structures in Python. Data structures in Python are classified into two parts: built-in data structures and user-defined data structures. Built-in data structures are again classified into four parts: list, dictionary, tuples, and sets. User-defined data structures are classified into six parts: stacks, queues, trees, linked list, graph, hash map. Knowledge gained. Python's built-in data structures are list, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. You have learned list, tuples, dictionaries in class 11. Brief discussion on set. What is set? A set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. In Python, sets are written with curly brackets. Every set element is unique, no duplicates, and must be immutable, cannot be changed. However, a set itself is mutable. We can add or remove items from it. The example of set: the set equal to apple banana tree. Print the set, we will get the output apple banana cherry. Another example of set: r equal to 1 2 3 2. 2 is repeated. Print r, we will get the output 1 2 3. In mathematics, we use curly bracket to define sets, and repeated elements are taken only once each. As per syllabus, I am going to discuss stacks. Definition of stack. Stacks, like the name suggests, follow the last in first out LIFO principle, as if stacking coins one on the top of the other. The last coin we put on the top is the one that is first to be removed from the stack later. In stack, insertion and deletion take place only one end, called top. Points to remember. To implement a stack, therefore, we need two simple operations: push and pop. What is push? Add an element to the top of the stacks. What is pop? Remove an element at the top of the stack. Note: push and pop are not reserved word. Pop is an inbuilt function in Python that removes and returns the last value from the list or the given index value. Other terminology of stacks. There are some other terms related to the stacks, such as peak, overflow, and underflow. Peak refers to view what is on the top of the stacks without removing this element. It is also sometimes referred to as inspection. Overflow refers to a situation, error, when one tries to push an item in the stack that is full. This situation occurs when the size of the stack is fixed and cannot grow further, or there is no memory left to accommodate new items. Underflow refers to a situation, error, when one tries to pop or delete an item from an empty stack. That is, the stack is currently having no items and still one tries to pop an item. Python program to implement stack operation. Stack is implemented as a list. Def is empty within bracket stk colon to check the stack is empty or not. If stk equal to blank list, the function will return true, else the function will return false. Def push within bracket stk comma item colon to add element to the stacks. Stk dot append items. Top equal to len stk minus 1, list index of the last element. Def pop within bracket stk colon. This is a function. This function is used or is defined to delete an element from the stacks. if is empty within bracket stk colon to verify the stack is empty or not. Is empty function return true, then print underflow. Else part allow the deletion from the stack. Item equal to stk.pop. If len stk equal to 0, top equal to none. Else top equal to len stk minus 1, list index of the last element, and then print the popped item. Def display within bracket stk colon to display the elements of the stack. If is empty within bracket stk colon, is empty function returns true, then print stack is empty. Otherwise, else part will be executed to display all the elements. Top equal to len stk minus 1, print elements in the stacks are, the elements are displayed using for loop. Executable code: if double underscore name double underscore equal to double underscore main double underscore is true, stk equal to blank list, top equal to none, push function is called to push 1, push function is called to push 2, push function is called to push 3, push function is called to insert 4. 1 is inserted first, 4 is inserted last. Display function is called, pop function is called, again display function is called to check the elements of the stacks. Output of the above program: elements in the stacks are 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 is the topmost element. Popped 4. After popped, the elements in the stacks are 3, 2, 1. End of the stacks. Thank you for watching video.